Hey, I'm Jeremy Davison with MarineMax Sail and Ski Austin. We just got in this 2021 Bayliner DX2050. This boat has the blue side hull, white bottom, got the painted single axle trailer with brakes, swinging tongue on the trailer. We're going to do a walk around video of it, show it off to you guys. The DX comes with a boarding ladder on the front, as you can see right there. Cleats are in a good position as you go down the sides. This one has the there's two different covers. You can get a mooring cover, a snap-on cover. This has the snap-on cover. This boat is also optioned with the extended swim platform. So standard, it comes to here, and then the extended swim platform adds about another 2 feet. It's really nice. There's a lot of room back there. Let's hop inside. We'll take a look. We're on board the DX2050. This boat has the optional sea deck all throughout the boat. The brown. Nice sun pad. The seat back reverses back. So you lay back and lounge right here. 12 volt if you need to pump up a tube. You also have USB ports over here if you want to charge your phone while you're back here. Standard cup holders are plastic. This one has the upgraded stainless package, so it's got stainless steel cup holders. You got a courtesy light as you come walking through the walk-through transom here. Storage. Trim fluids back there in the corner. I love the layout of this boat. Very social setting, lots of room. Boat's rated for 9. And this boat, a lot of these boats are rated for 8-9 people, and the seating's really tight. This boat has a lot of room, a lot of seating, lots of storage underneath every seat. You have storage. Got a center ski locker. I also like the fact that there's no windshield on this boat. The thing I like about it is it's so hot down here. You always have a breeze. I don't like driving real fast, so I like cruising around 10-15 miles an hour. Everyone can still talk. You got a nice, flow of air coming on you. Everything's very simple. Simple switches, gauges, easy to see. One thing nice is just the simplicity of the boat. If anything ever does break, it's going to be nice and easy and cheap to fix. Bluetooth stereo, seat swivels. It also slides back and forth. Tilt steering. Boat's equipped with a MerCruiser 4.5 V6. It's got 200 horsepower. There's the motor. Easy access to check your oil. Oil filters right there at the top. Batteries over there on the port side. You got a big insulated cooler right there with a drain. Keep your drinks right there. It's a nice boat. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can call me directly. My name is Jeremy, 512-924-7065. Thanks.